In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a production-ready full-stack web app with Next.js, Express, and PostgreSQL using Claude. First, decide on the stack so Claude knows exactly what to generate. For this walkthrough, we'll use a Next.js frontend with Tailwind CSS, a Node and Express backend, PostgreSQL for the database, JWT-based authentication, and plan to host on platforms like Vercel or Railway. You can share that as your target stack so every decision stays consistent. Create a clean workspace by opening your terminal and running two commands, mkdir fullstack app, then cd into that folder. With your project directory ready, start Claude Code. If you have the CLI, you can simply run the Claude command to open your session. Now give Claude the master prompt, paste a concise brief that sets the tone, act as a senior full-stack engineer. We're building a production-ready full-stack web app with the chosen stack, and we require authentication, a dashboard, CRUD operations, a REST API with validation, an admin panel, a responsive UI with Tailwind, and step-by-step instructions. Emphasize that Claude should ask before major decisions and not skip steps. This ensures clarity and prevents scope drift. Ask Claude to propose the full architecture next. Folder structure, backend routes, front-end pages, and database schema. Review the plan to confirm it matches your goals, then explicitly approve it so Claude proceeds with that blueprint. With approval given, have Claude scaffold the project. You should see a front-end folder for Next.js with pages, components, and styles, a backend folder for Express with routes, controllers, and models, and a database folder with migrations and seed data. This structure keeps concerns clean and collaboration easier. Move on to backend features. Start with user authentication. Implement sign-up, login, and logout with securely hashed passwords and JWTs protecting API routes. Then add CRUD endpoints for resources like products or posts, making sure every input is validated and errors are handled gracefully. Define PostgreSQL tables for users and your resources, and wire up models to queries. On the front end, build login and sign-up pages with client-side validation. Create a user dashboard showing the profile and a list of resources. Add forms and pages to create, update, and delete items. Style everything with Tailwind for a